The first step, you divide. Number one, x cubed divided by x, you get x squared. The next step, number two, is multiply. So you do x squared times x, it gives you x cubed. And then x squared times 2, it gives you 2x. It's plus 2x squared. We've done step number 2. Step number 3 is subtract. So you put a line, and then you subtract. X cubed minus x cubed is 0. Minus 2x cubed, minus 2x cubed, minus plus 2x cubed. It gives you minus 4x cubed. The next step, number 4, is bring down. You bring down the minus 2x.
Is it not minus 4x squared?
So minus 4x squared. That's a house point for correcting that. In school, we give the students house points. So now we repeat the process. So there should be a word at the end that says repeat. You go back and start with number 1. 4x squared divided by x. 4x squared divided by x. One of them will cancel. So you end up with minus 4x. So you've done the divide. You do the multiply. 4x times x. It gives you the minus 4x squared. 4x times 2. It gives you minus 8x. And then you go to the next one, is subtract. Minus 4x squared minus minus 4x squared, that gives you 0. Minus 2 minus minus 8.
That's 10x.
No, 6x.
No, 6x.
6x. Yeah, there's a lot of minus there. So sometimes 6x. And then we've done subtract. We'll go to number 4, bring down. We'll bring down the 12. Plus 12. And then we'll repeat. 6x divided by x is 6.
Yeah.
And then we multiply. 6 times x is 6x. And then 6 times 2 is 12. And then you subtract. Sometimes you subtract, it doesn't become 0, so there's a remainder. 6x minus 6x is 0. 12 minus 12 is 0. So your answer is x squared minus 4x plus 6. And the remainder is 0, which is the same in that question there, x squared minus 4x plus 6. And then divided by 4. So that's what is left. So what the question is saying to you is, when you divide, I'll zoom in. When you divide all of this by x over 2, you are left with that x squared, and then you're left with that with the x over 4. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Which is what they wanted you to show. But the main thing here was to learn this long division. You can take a screenshot of that method and practice it at some point, because long division comes a lot in paper 2 or sometimes paper 1. But you can use factor theorem or another method. If you know the other method perfectly, and then, but it's still good to learn long division. I've seen some questions, they insist on doing long division. They say to you, by doing long division, do the following. So do you want to write this down?
I've taken a picture of it.
And draw those lines. And draw those lines, because those lines are the things that help you. Once you've done that, I think that takes